Here's a great deal on a 2005 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger wagon provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage, regardless of road or weather conditions. Subaru prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, a trip computer, a split folding rear seat, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.